How different do you think the world would be if, when you were born, it was like a timer started and everyone only had 80 years to live? So you just start off, your life's completely normal, but everyone knows when you get to 80, it's lights out, and that's the end of it. Like, there's no way of changing it. You can't. No one can have 81 years. Nobody can get to 100. When you get to 80, at exactly the same time you were born, you die on that day, and it's just like an off switch. How different do you think the world would be if that happened? Like there'd probably be big economic changes, wouldn't there? Like, or maybe it's not 80, maybe it's any age, but everyone has a timer. They have like so much time. Doesn't matter if you're perfectly fine when you get to that age, it's just off on that day. And you can still have the normal illnesses through your life. You could still get in a car crash and die before that, or get an illness and die before that. But when you get to a certain age, let's say it's 80, it's lights off, you're gone. How different would the world be? What do you think you would do different in your life if it was like that? Like, do you think you'd be a bit more crazy, or do you think 80 years is long enough to just be like, well, I don't know. I think 80 is probably enough. I think folk, maybe I've set the bar a bit high here. Maybe people don't expect to live much past 80 anyway. But it's an interesting thought, isn't it? Like, if everyone just knew that's your 80 years starting now, and then when you get to that time, when your 80th birthday, power off. Someone else gets a go now. Anyway, these are roast potatoes. If I was 80, I probably wouldn't be having these as the last meal. Probably go for a big slap up meal at a restaurant, drink the place dry, and then when it turned to the time that I was born, I would just be dead. So then I can just not, then we don't have to worry about paying the bill, do we? Mind you, the restaurants would probably be wise to that. They'd probably want to check your ID on the way in if you were looking a bit old. Anyway, that's something to think about whilst you're eating your roast potatoes, isn't it? See you later.